Hi everybody, this is Miss Mans and welcome to another kindergarten math activity. This is going to be a review and extend video and it's called Countdown Subtraction from 1 to 10. We're going to go ahead and we're going to count backwards. So the first thing you're going to need is a board. That's in your materials. You'll also need 2 dice. The first part of the activity, the review, will work with 1. But towards the end of the video, we're going to do 2 dice for the extend. You're also going to need a chip or marker for your spot. This is a 2-person activity, but if you're alone, that's okay. We'll play together. For the review, what we're going to be doing first is practicing counting down. We want to make sure we know our numbers. So we're going to start, we're going to count all the way down. We're going to start at 10, and we're going to count down. So here's my paper. Let's count. Ready? Let's count like a rocket ship. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off. Now that we've seen our numbers and we've counted, sometimes when you count back, you have to count from a different number other than just 10. You got to count from 5 all the way down to 0 or 7. So what we're going to do is we're going to roll a dice. And when I get to a number, we're going to start at that number and we're going to count down till we get to 0. We'll do that a few times to practice counting backwards. Here we go. 4. So let's start at 4 and we're going to count down to 0. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, let's roll again. 6. Ready? Let's start at 6 and count down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job. Let's roll again. Count down. 5. All right, ready? We're going to start at 5 and count to 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. One more roll. Let's see what we get. All right. Oh, I got a 4 again. We can go ahead and we'll count it 4 again. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well, now that we've practiced counting backwards, we're going to go ahead and we are going to play our game for countdown subtraction. So if you would, and I'll show you my board, but you're going to need a chip, and here's the board. We're going to put that starting at the number 10. All right, so with our 10, what we're going to do, remember, we're practicing counting down. So as I roll the dice, we're going to count backwards, and we'll do that together. We'll do that nice and slow since this is a review. Let's go ahead and roll the dice. We're at 10. All right, we're going to count back just 2. So 10, and then count 1, 2, 10, 9, 8. And we're going to stop right at that 8 because that was down 2. 10, take 2 away is 8. All right, let's roll again. All right, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's count back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. We counted back 4. We started at 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And we landed at that 4. All right, let's subtract again. Here we go. 3. All right, ready? Start at the 3. We're going to take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. And this is where I have to bring it. 3, 2, 1. So I'm at 1. 4, take 3 away. When I counted down 3, I landed at that 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. So now if you look, I only have 1 square left. So when I roll, I have to land on that 1. Do you think I can do it? I don't know. How lucky am I? Can I do it? Well, that's not a 1. Let's try again. Ready? Look at that, a 1. So 1, take 1 away is 0. I landed on the 0. How did you guys do? Did you get to 0 yet? Did I win? Did you win? Did I win? Ah, it's all fun. All right, let's try again. This time, let's make a prediction. How many rolls do you think it'll take to start at the 10 and come all the way down to 0? How many rolls? I say it'll take 4 rolls. I would like to go with 4. Are you ready? Okay. Let's put our dice, let's show the board again, and we're going to put our chip right all the way back at the top. So here's our board. Let's go back to the top. There we go. All right, so we're at 10, and we're going to subtract. Remember, we're subtracting and taking away. Here we go. So 10, here's that 3. So we're going to start at 10. We're going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. 10, 9, 8, 7. 10 minus 3 is 7. All right, ready? All right, now we have to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See this 2? I got to get all the way down there. Here we go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. I have 2. All right, ready? I'm going to roll again. And it's a 1. All right, 2. Take away 1 is 1. 2, 1. All right, now we got to get to 0. If I have 1, how many do I have to take away to get to 0? If I have 1, think about that if you had 1 pen. How many pens would you have to give away to have no pens left? That same 1 pen. All right, let's see if we get a 1. Nope, not a 1. Let's try again. Nope, not a 1. Try again. Nope, not a 1. Try again. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess we've exceeded our 4 rolls, haven't we? I don't know if we're going to make it to 1. Oh my goodness. Miss Mans is going to be stuck in rolling forever. Look, I got a 2. But you know you have to land on that 0 to win, so I can't do that too. I have to keep going. Have you gotten to 0 yet? Who's going to get to 0 first, me or you? I don't know. Oh my goodness. I'm still trying to get just a 1. Nope. Oh, take a look. I finally got it. All that subtracting. I finally got to 0. We're going to go ahead and move on to the extend. For the extend, this is something that you can do at home. It was something that I made. If you want to pause the video to make your own, feel free. That's not a problem. What I did was I made a board, and I call it the extend board, and it goes from 10 and it goes down to 40. We're going to actually start at the bottom. We're going to start at this 40, and we're going to subtract our way all the way up to the top. We're going to keep taking away until we get to that 10. But we're going to start at 40, and we're going to count down. So that's my extend. All right? So for the extend, remember I told you that you were going to use 2 dice. So I'm going to use both of these 2 dice, and that's how we're going to go ahead, and we're going to start at the 40, and we're going to count down. So 40 will count down until, and my board only goes to 10, but we're going to count backwards. So we'll practice counting backwards together. And do remember that this is a partner game. So if you have a partner, you guys can race against each other, and if not, you can just race against me, or you and your partner can race against me. All right. So go ahead, you and your partner, or just you, Chip, you're going to start on the 40, because remember we're subtracting. So I'm going to go ahead and put it, and I'll show you. Let's go ahead and look at the board. All right. Oh, that's moving. So we're starting at the 40, and we're going to count backwards. Okay? And we'll start with 2 dice. Ready? Here we go. All right, so we have a 6 and a 4. So we're going to start with the 6 and we're going to count on so we know how many we're taking away all together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're starting at the 40 and we need to take 10 away. So I'm just going to leave these right here. Whoops, I moved that. Where'd that? Oh, right there. Okay, so there's my 6 and 4. Let's go ahead. We're starting at 40. We're going to take 10 away. When I take 10 away, we'll see where we're going to land. Are you ready? Let's take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I landed at the 30. 40 minus 10 is 30. And if I count backwards, can you count from 40? Let's count. Let's look at our board. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. Now we're at the 30. All right, let me pull this out a little bit. We're going to keep subtracting. We're going to keep taking away. I'm going to roll my dice. Whoops. And I landed with a 6 and a 2. So let's see how many we're going to take away this time. We'll start at the 6 and we're going to count on. So 6, 7, 8. So we're at 30 and I have to take 8 away. Are you ready? So start at 30. Let's take 8 away. Let's count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I got there, I landed on the 22. Let's count back. Let's count from 30. Let's count and stop at 22. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. Good job. Now to get my 2 dice, we're starting at 22. We have to keep subtracting. Keep subtracting. Ready? Here we go. What do we have? A 4 and a 2. So we'll start with the 4 and we'll count on 2 more. Ready? 4, 5, 6. So I have to take 6 away. So here's my 22. And let's take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Miss Mann's landed on 16. Oh, can you see that? Let me bring it down a little. All right, so 22. Let's count backwards till we get there. Ready? 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. All right, we're at 16. Now this board only goes down to 10, but we'll see. Here we go. We have to land on that 10. If I'm at 16, what do I have to take away to get to 10? 5 and 5. That's kind of like your hands. You know how you have 5 fingers on one hand and 5 fingers on the other? Well, if I have 5 and 5 here, 5 and 5 here, anybody know how much that is? Let's count up. Let's see if you're correct. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 and 5 is 10. Now 16, if I count back, let's see if I land on or off the board. Because remember, I can't get off the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh-oh. If I try to keep going, I'll leave the board. I can't do that. So it has to be 6 or less. So for that, since I'm at 6, I'm going to go ahead and take away 1 dice. And we'll just finish with the 1 dice. Okay, now we're taking away only 1. 16, count back with me. 1, ready? 15. That's it. 16, take 1 away, is 15. All right, let's roll again. 3. So let's start at 15. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's a 12. Let's count 15. Let's count backwards till we get to 12. We're going to stop at 12. 15, 14, 13, 12. Stop. Good job. Take a look. How many boxes do I have left? Just 2. So I have to try to get a 2. Think I can get a 2? Come on, 2. A 1. Okay. Ready? Count down 1. 12 minus 1, 11. All right. I only have 1 box left. I've got to get this 1 again. Do you think I'll get it? Try. Let's see. Oh, now I get a 2. Don't need you now, 2. I needed you before. Now I need a 1. And I got it. All right, 11, take away 1, 11, 10. All right, great job, everybody. Let's make this a little trickier. What we're going to do is we'll get our 2 dice back. We're going to come back to 40. And we are going to go ahead and predict how many times we're going to roll till we get down to 10. You know, I've never been very good at this predicting thing. If I predict a lot of rolls, I get a little. If I predict a little bit of rolls, I have to roll a lot. I'm not very good at this. Are you very good at predicting? Let's see. I'm going to predict 5 rolls. I'm going to predict that it's going to take me 5 rolls to get from 40 all the way to 10. Okay? All right, let's see how that goes. Come on. 5. All right. Got my 2 dice. Do you have your 2 dice? Are you starting at 40? Did you make a board? Okay. All right, here we go. Ready? Oh, let me show you the board so you can follow along. Miss Mans. I know, it's crazy. Here we go. So we're at 40. All right, take a look. So we have 4 and 1, 4, and 1 more is 5. So we're going to start at 40 and take 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 35. Let's count back from 40 to 35. And what I want you to do is go ahead and when I get to 35, you're going to say stop. Here we go. Ready? 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35. Stop. All right. Now we're going to start at 35. We're going to subtract again. What are we going to subtract this time? Oop. 2 and 2. Do you know 2 plus 2? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's take 4 away. Ready? Start at the 35. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're at 31. So 2 rolls, and we're at 31. Let's start at the 35 and let's count back. We have to stop at 31. When we say 31, we stop. Here we go. 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Stop. All right, we're going to subtract again. Here we go. All right, we got a 4 and a 2. So 4, 5, 6. That was my 3rd roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I landed on 25. We're going to start at 31. We're going to count back and count down to 25. When I get to that 25, everyone say stop. Here we go. 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. Stop. Good job. All right, this is roll number 4. Okay, we got a 6 and a 2. 6, 7, 8. All right, so we're going to take 8 away. We're going to start 25. We're going to subtract 8. Are you ready to subtract with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got to 17. So let's start at 25. We're going to count backwards. We'll stop at 17. So as soon as Miss Mans gets to 17, I want you to say stop. Here we go. Start at the 25. 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. Stop. Good job. All right, ready? Starting at 17, we're going to take away, and look, you know, we're only going to 10. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can't get it a 7. It has to be a 7 or less, because if I go off the board, I'm not going to win. So we have to make sure that we're playing the right way. All right, here we go. I got a 6 and a 2 again. That was just like last time. 6, 7, 8. But remember, I can't get anything higher than a 7. So this is too high. We're going to have to roll again. Whoops. What did we get? 6, 7. So 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I landed on that 10. 17. Let's start at 17, and when we get to the 10, I want you to say stop. Let me move this over so you can see better. Here we go. Ready? 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Stop. Ready? And now we're going to finish. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We are done. I had a great time with that review and that extend. And let me show you that board one more time, that whole thing. And you can do it at any numbers that you want. I went from 10 to 40, but you can go start anywhere. You can start at 0 and go up to 40 or go up to 30. But I had a great time subtracting with you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time with another kindergarten math activity. I hope you enjoyed this extend and review.